Welcome all for the next lecture series. I think in this series we are going to discuss about a case study in the topic of transmission line. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So our students are going to present Priya, Sneha, and Harini, Himasri, Komala, Rohita, Vishal, Janardhanan and Abhishek. Right? Shall we go to who is going to give an introduction?
Mild.
Okay.
Transmission lines form the backbone of both power and communication networks. They are specialized conductors designed to transfer electric power and electromagnetic signals. To design the transmission line, some of the factors are to be considered, like line voltage, efficiency, and voltage drop. These factors are heavily influenced by the RLC parameters.
Very good.
And then about the types, it can be categorized based on length and voltage. Based on voltage, it is categorized into low voltage, high voltage, extra high voltage and ultra high voltage. And based on length, short transmission, medium transmission and long transmission. Others will be explained by Vishal.
Okay.
So,
Vishal?
I'm going to talk about a short transmission line. So, what is a short transmission line? A short transmission line is an electric line, which is a generally short. It is used for simplified analysis and calculations. So, it is divided into definition and classifications. In definitions, we can see about length, electrical
Can you
capacity.
say the length of short transmission line?
So, short transmission is considered short when it is less than 80 kilometers.
Very good.
And it can support up to 69 kilowatts, and it has a threshold capacity of 20 kilowatts.
Good. The next one is,
Next, I will be going to explain about ABCD parameter for transmission.
what is the purpose of ABCD parameter, Sneha?
Helping to analyze the setting and receiving quantities using simple transmission.
Okay.
It is easy to calculate the voltage regulation, efficiency, and losses. And any transmission lines like short, medium, or long can be represented in ABCD forms. So it is used in power system studies like load flow, stability, and fault analysis, etc.
Harini, your part? The medium transmission line distance? 80 kilometer ago and below 2.
In medium transmission line, there are two pulses, which I find by meter.
Nominal G and nominal Y meter.
I go to think about the nominal G method. And nominal G method are used for analyzing the elastic resistance in the transmission state. And for calculating the nominal G method, we are derived the two values of transmission line. And it is also derived by the shunt medium line. In this, we are using parameters like voltage regulations and ABCD constants as a parameter. From medium transmission, we are using parameters like line voltage, line location, and ABCD constant by applying the Kirchhoff voltage law.
Thank you.
So, now I'm going to tell about nominal Y meter. As you see, the medium transmission line has a distance of 80 kilometer to 50 kilometer. And it works at the load of 20 kilowatt to 100 kilowatt. The reason why we going to nominal pi method is to get effective capacitance. As in nominal pi method, the resistance and the reactance are divided or placed in the middle, and the capacitance is divided into two parts. One is the sending end and another is the receiving end. That's why the capacitance is more accurate in the pi method. The diagram of pi method looks like a pi symbol. So it is denoted as pi method. On seeing the difference between P method and pi method, the impedance is placed at the impedance placed at the divided into two parts, and the capacitance is placed at the center. On seeing about the pi method, the capacitance is divided into two, and the impedance is placed at the center.
So I'm gonna discuss about the ABCD parameter of medium transmission line. So in ABCD parameter,
Importance of ABCD parameter.
So as Sneha said that ABCD parameter for short transmission line, it is common for medium transmission also. But in medium transmission transmission line, the importance of bind method is simplifies its analysis and it performs calculation and system studies and design insight. Next, A represents the forward voltage and B represents the series impedance and C represents shunt admittance and D represents reverse voltage.
Long transmission.
I'm going to explain long transmission. In long transmission, there is a two method. One is pi method and D method. And now I'm going
Long
to explain
transmission line distance.
about 250 kilometers. Now I'm going to explain pi method. In pi method equivalent circuit accurately represent the distribution parameter. In the distribution parameter, 250 kilometer is a length. In this there is a two model. Series impedance and the shunt accurateness. In the series impedance, there is a Z and shunt admittance, there is a Y. In that, there is a, in series impedance, Y is a starting point and Z is a starting point. Shunt Y is a both starting and ending point of the model. The model is derived from the exact of ABCD parameter.
I'm on the topic of key method of long transmission. It is one of an equivalent circuit representation used to an power system analysis behavior of a long transmission. It is above length of 250 km. It is a long and medium lumped parameter. Parameter of RLC. We have to find the receiving end and the sending end. Center we have an impedance. It is shaped as an T. So it is called as an T method. We have to find series impedance Z equal to R plus J omega L. It is per unit length and shunt impedance Y equal to G plus J omega C per unit length. Its application is used in a simple model of long transmission and used in modern.
So lastly, I'm going to discuss about the overview of the advantages and disadvantages of the transmission line. So the advantages of transmission line are efficiency because high voltage is transmitted through this transmission line. Then integration of the power renewable power sources like wind, solar and hydro. And disadvantages are high capital cost. To build this tower and transformers, it costs high. And when talking about long transmission lines, there is a disadvantage that due to losses like I2R loss and corona discharge.
What do you mean by corona discharge?
Corona discharge is the discharge of the voltage around the conductor.
Thank you, students. I think you all are sharing more about the transmission line. What is the importance of transmission line and type of transmission line and the length of transmission line and what is the importance of ABCD parameter and advantages and disadvantages. I think the viewers learning from your case study more information about transmission line. Thank you.
Thank you.